semua, balik lagi sama aku. Pada video kali ini, aku akan memberikan tutorial lagi tentang editing di Lightroom. Sebelum lebih lanjut, jangan lupa buat subscribe, like, comment, and share ke teman-teman kalian ya. Nah guys, seperti yang kalian lihat di thumbnail, filter yang kita gunakan kali ini yaitu filter blewah. Oke, lanjut buat editingnya.
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your color shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. No matter distance I cover, you always there. This mother, please let me find another. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your color shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask?